English, Class 7, Unit 2. Nature. Question 1. Where are the Kevra salt mines located? Answer. The Kevra salt mines are located in the Salt Range near Kevra, District Jhelum, Punjab, Pakistan. Question 2. How much salt is annually produced by these mines? Answer. The Kevra salt mines produce about 325,000 tons of salt every year. Question 3. Who first discovered the Kevra mines? Answer. The Kevra salt mines were first discovered by the soldiers of Alexander the Great. Question 4. What is the most remarkable thing about these mines? Answer. The most remarkable thing is that they are the second largest salt mines in the world and contain beautiful salt structures. Question 5. How many visitors visit the Kevra mines annually? Answer. About 250,000 visitors visit the Kevra salt mines every year. Question 6. What did you find most exciting about the Kevra mines? Answer. I found the beautiful salt buildings, mosque, and colorful lights inside the mines most exciting. Question 7. How can you declare these mines as a natural wonder? Answer. The Kevra salt mines are a natural wonder because of their huge salt deposits, natural beauty, and unique underground formations.